Once on board, stow your luggage out of everyone's way. Stops are announced as the train approaches, but like most public transport systems we've been in, those announcements are hard to understand. In general, they go like this: next stop Powell Station, as the train starts to slow down, then as the train stops, this is the Powell Station. BART is replacing their cars with new ones, but until that's done, which will take several years, you won't find some of the stop-finding conveniences other transit systems have, like lighted signs that show the next stop. There is a BART map in each car, and if you choose your seat so you can see it, you can follow along and know ahead which stop is yours. It may also help you to know the order of just these 4 stops: Civic Center, Powell, Montgomery, Embarcadero, in order if you're going from SFO to San Francisco. At each station, you'll also see signs on the walls and overhead with its name. If you get off too soon, or too late, by mistake, it's easy to recover. Don't go out through the turnstiles. If you need to go further, just get on the next train. Need to go back? Cross to the other side and get back on. It won't cost you anything extra.